Tesla's Speed Assist is a safety feature designed to alert drivers when they exceed posted speed limits. It uses GPS, camera-based road sign recognition, and vehicle sensors to monitor speed in real time. The system is part of Tesla's Autopilot suite, helping to promote safer driving habits. Speed Assist gathers data from two primary sources. First, onboard cameras that read road signs to identify speed limits. Second, GPS integrated maps that cross-reference the car's location with map data containing speed limit information. This data is then compared to the vehicle's speedometer to determine if the speed limit is being exceeded. When Speed Assist detects that you are exceeding the speed limit, it provides several types of alerts. Visually, a speed limit icon appears on the instrument cluster and touchscreen. This icon changes color. Green indicates you're within the limit, yellow signifies you're approaching it, and red warns that you're exceeding it. These color-coded indicators provide quick, at-a-glance information. These visual displays appear on both the instrument cluster and touchscreen, ensuring drivers can easily see the information regardless of where they're looking. In addition to visual warnings, Speed Assist offers auditory chimes. These chimes can be customized for intensity, ranging from a mild, soft chime to a louder, more noticeable sound. Some newer Tesla models post-2024 also include haptic feedback, where the steering wheel vibrates to provide a tactile alert, further enhancing awareness. To customize Speed Assist, navigate to Controls greater than Autopilot, greater than Speed Limit Assist on your Tesla's touchscreen. Here you'll find the Speed Limit Assist menu, where you can make adjustments. You can adjust warning intensity from mild, soft alerts to aggressive, repeated warnings. Choose how the speed limit appears, on the dashboard, as a navigation overlay, or through the heads-up display. Enable Speed Limit Mode to integrate with cruise control and automatically cap your speed at the posted limit. Within the Speed Limit Assist menu, you have several customization options. You can set the warning intensity to mild for a soft chime, moderate for a louder chime and vibration, or aggressive for repeated alerts. Display preferences allow you to choose where the speed limit is shown, such as on the dashboard, as an overlay on the navigation screen, or via a heads-up display. Speed Assist seamlessly integrates with Tesla's cruise control system. When you enable speed limit mode, your Tesla will automatically cap its speed at the posted speed limit while cruise control is active. In speed limit mode, the system sets the maximum speed to match the current limit. You can adjust this maximum speed using the plus and minus buttons if needed, giving you flexibility while maintaining safety. To enable speed limit mode, navigate to the settings menu and toggle it on. Once activated, cruise control will respect speed limits automatically. The driver can always override this by pressing the accelerator pedal for manual control. This integration ensures your Tesla drives within legal speed limits automatically, enhancing safety while preserving your ability to override when necessary for emergency situations or personal judgment. It's important to remember that Speed Assist is a warning system, not an autonomous control feature. While it provides valuable alerts, it does not automatically slow the vehicle below the speed limit in standard mode. Full enforcement is available when using Autopilot's adaptive cruise control with Speed Limit Assist enabled. Always maintain responsibility for controlling your vehicle's speed and adhere to local traffic laws.